Guys, good evening. Right now it's about 9:25 and today's 18th of January 2021. So guys, as I promised during the day, I will definitely be making another video. And I'm back here with my research. I have just filtered about 5 stocks. As I told you, I am on the buy side, right? I'm buy on dip. That's my strategy going to be my strategy for the next few days. And I'm still expecting a good bounce, right? And if I have a look at the international market at this point of time, SGX Nifty is showing a little positive movement so far, and let's see. It's not. You can't predict anything much from SGX Nifty, but yeah, there is a probability that market may be. If it goes further down, I will be taking a buy position. So my I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks on my radar. The first one, okay, since I'm here, is Asian Paints, right? If you remember, I have made a few days back, the trend line, trade using trend line, right? How to trade in stock market using trend lines, right? So this is the video that I'm referring to. So I want to give you some practical uses of this particular video, right? So before I proceed on to that, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, and I'm partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Astha Trade, and I'm chief mentor at stockpro. And you can find me on my Twitter handle where I post my research whenever I get a good stock, I do definitely post it over here. And you can follow me on my Telegram channel, which is here, which have about 280,000 members, and we do talk about stocks and the various research that we keep doing. We are pretty active during the market hours out here. So my first stock is Asian Paints, right? It is in a trend line, and this doji is kind of giving me an indication that there may be, if the breakout happens tomorrow, right? If the breakout happens tomorrow, where can I expect the breakout to happen? Above 2620, right? If the stock tomorrow goes above 2620, I will be creating a buy position in this particular stock. Then the next stock, which is looking really nice to me, is Titan, right? This is how Titan looks. It was in a trend, and today the trend has been broken, right? So above 1510, we can expect another move in the upward direction, right? And ITC had given yesterday also, and I'm again giving it because today, if you have a look at it, it has given a very beautiful closing, right? The closing has been pretty good in spite of negative market, right? Above, it has to, tomorrow, I think it will be a very good trade to trade in. ITC, if you want, you can take a February contract and trade in future. By hedging your positions, you can definitely trade in futures. This looks good. Like now today it has shown in the market, it went down and bounced back. So it is kind of showing that it has capacity to further go up, right? So where do we have to create a buy position? We'll buy it above 222, 222, right? Above that, if it remains for 15-20 minutes, we can go for a buy. As I told you, Titan looks extremely good. ITC looks good. Kotak Bank, right? This is a stock which I actually gave it in my earlier video, like which I made during the day. This was my video, right, on which I have said that we must keep Kotak Bank on radar, because it is, why is it so? Let me show you on the shorter time frame. If I show you 1 hour time frame, the stock was range bound, right? Stock was completely range bound, right? And one more thing that you can have a look at, the volumes that have come on this particular candle, right? This candle, this doji, right? But it hasn't gone above. If it goes below, we can expect a good fall. But if it remains, if it goes above 1860, we can definitely expect an opportunity of buying in this. So I have given 3 kinds of buying in Kotak Bank. You can buy it in future. By hedging it, you can buy it in cash. You can buy its call option. And I've said that the call option you can buy above 35, right? Oh, so sorry. here is call option of Kotak Bank, which I have suggested to buy above 35, right? So why? Because see here, if it goes above this value, which is 35, we can create an entry into on the buy side, right? So that's Kotak Bank. And my last stock today is going to be Hero MotoCorp, right? This is Hero MotoCorp, and I'll show you 1-day time frame. Right, there has been a price rejection from the lower level. So where are we supposed to buy? We can buy it above 3240. 3240, an immediate target of at least 70-80 points. This is where we will create our buy. I'm expecting at least the high of this, right? At least 60-70 points. I'm definitely expecting right away. But in case it breaks the high that it had made a few days back, it is going to shoot up and make the next target will be 3392. So 5 stocks. I told you the reason, trend breakout in Titan. ITC is after 1 year almost, it is crossing its high with good volumes. Look at the volumes at the bottom. Kotak Bank, as it's maintaining in 1 hour time frame, it's low and not breaking that, and the good volumes have appeared today. And Hero Moto has had a beautiful price rejection from the lower levels. And whereas Asian Paints is in a trend, right? If in case it breaks tomorrow this trend, we will have a good opportunity to take an entry. So this is what I wanted to share. Take care, guys. And if you make money, if you really enjoy making money along with stockpro, please comment, like, and share. And please share the link of my channel with other friends and family members. With this, I'll be signing off. Take care, good night, and see you tomorrow in the live market on my channel, right? See you there. Bye-bye. Take care.